Chapter 4 is on units and the metric system. So we're going to be dealing with a lot of different units in this chapter, but they're really all based on just three. And that would be the gram, the liter, and the meter. So gram measures weight, the liter measures volume, and the meter measures distance. The symbols are G, L, and M. An example of a gram, 1 gram is one small paper clip, not even the big paper clips, so it's pretty light. A liter, there are 1 liter pop bottles, or you can think about half of a 2 liter bottle. 1 meter is 39 inches, or you can think about a meter stick. So to get all of the other units, we need to add prefixes onto the 3 basic units. So K stands for kilo, which means 1,000. H stands for hecto, which means 100. DA stands for deca, which is 10. D stands for deci, which is 1 over 10. C stands for centi, which is 1 over 100. M stands for milli, which is 1 over 1,000. And MC stands for micro, which is 1 over 1,000,000. So some examples: 1 kilogram is the same thing as 1,000 grams. 1 hectometer is the same thing as 100 meters. So instead of calling it the 100 meter dash, you could call it the hectometer dash, but nobody does. 1 decagram is 10 grams. 1 deciliter is 1 over 10 liters. 1 centimeter is 1 over 100 meters. 1 milliliter is 1 over 1,000 liters. And 1 microgram is 1/1,000,000th of a gram. Next, we are converting between units. And if you're going from small to large, you want to move the decimal to the left. And if you're going from large to small, then you want to move the decimal to the right. I have provided here a conversion chart, and I'll provide this on all the worksheets to come as well, so you don't need to memorize it. But I do want to talk about it. The prefixes are all labeled here, and the U stands for unit or basic unit. So this means if you have just a gram, or just a liter, or just a meter. So you do need to know that. And then you will see 2 dashes here, and that's really as a place value for the 1 over 10,000 and 1 over 100,000. So M is 1/1000th, and MC is 1/1,000,000th. So there isn't really a name for these two, but we need to have place values there. So again, this will kind of help us convert from one to the other. So looking at number 1, I have 2.34 dg, and I'm trying to convert it to mg. So 2.34 if I look on my conversion chart, D is right here and M is right here. And to get from D to M, I go 2 places to the right. So I want to mirror that with my decimal place and go 2 places to the right, which would then be 234. So that's how I use this chart. With number 2, I have 3.1 liters, and I'm trying to convert it to kiloliters. Well, liters, that's just one of our basic units. So that's right here. And kiloliters, the K, that is right here. So to get from liters to kiloliters, I need to go 1, 2, 3 places to the left. So I want to mirror that with my decimal place and go 3 places to the left. And I need to add my own zeros there. So this is going to be 0.0031, and we should put the leading zero right here as well. You don't have to, but it's a good idea to do that. Okay, so then with number 3, let me erase this right here. Again, this is G, L, and M. Number 3, we're converting 5 centimeters to decimeter. So this is right here, and I'm trying to get to here. So I need to move 1 place to the left. Now with 5, I do not see a decimal place, but it's always implied to be to the right of the ones place if you don't see it. So then I can just move it, and that will be 0.5 or 0.5.